ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jaka elekai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ka Sorkar Jilla menta kelanang penstat cusyu ban Shim Jaka nak benta ban Pynieng yaki entry point haki benta per jong Jilla hadin belade peli dang hakini kindiat sngi ya ka facilitation center harut surok ba hakasnong umling ka badan hari boy district u sembut minti rang ba ka Jilla ba preston tensong habai keren begila pathai khobor loy thu ba ka Sorkar Jilla kala dep Shim ya ka Jaka kasnong Bajengdoba kabadan harilom garo bad aksnong Ratacherra kabadan harilom jaintia ban Pynieng ya ka entry point bad shushu ulai thu ru bai kini arli ki entry point ka Sorkar kan sedang ban taino kanang ban te lakam yang jingwan tu ikrthap jong gibar Jilla bad ki mender syakni ka Jilla Meghalaya.
Right now we have already get possession of the land. One is in Bajengdoba, one is in Bajengdoba, and number 2 is in Ratacherra. Okay, so these two by early next year we are going to start setting up of the prefab infrastructure in Bajengdoba as well as in what's that place? Ratacherra. Exit point also we are land is being identified because right now is the most critical issue is about the entry. So once this is in place and once this is done completely, then again we will set up even the exit point. The issue is here we need to have a plot of land under the possession of the government. But there are places where we don't get land and then we have to go for the process of land acquisition, which you know well, it takes a lot of time. And then sometimes the place where it is suitable, the landowner, they are not ready to part the land. That issue also are there.